I'm at El Super, city of Covina, California. El Super is one of the major USA Latino supermarket chains with 64 stores, currently located at the state of California, Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, and Nevada. There is no hot deli section at El Super Covina store, but visitors can still buy Rotisserie Chicken and Tamales near the entrance. Bakery at El Super Covina store looks good, and I love the El Super store bread, Tortilla, since it's very soft and tasty. gonna taste these two drinks. This one is the Michelle Papa Mango Nectar, and this one is Michelle Papa Guava Nectar. They're made in Egypt. The Guava Nectar. It's beautiful color. It's beautiful pink guava color. Let's smell the guava. Very good taste. Not too sweet. Excellent guava taste. It's very refreshing, especially for the summertime. Guava popsicle. It's beautiful mango color. It's great smell of mango. Excellent taste, not too sweet, very refreshing, excellent for the summertime. Mango popsicle. This one is the guava flavor. Good guava smell. Good guava taste. And this is the mango flavor. Great mango smell. Good mango taste. Compare these two, I like this mango flavor. Here Super fresh made whole grain tortillas. These are 8-inch tortillas, and this is resealable. The zipper here can be resealed. There are 10 whole grain tortillas in one bag. Tortilla cheese triangle pocket. Here are the ingredients: whole grain tortillas, sour cream and cream cheese, fresh cremoso cheese, fresh casero cheese. Let's try this air fryer cheese pocket. Tortillas, very crispy. Good smell. Wow. It's excellent. It's very good taste with sour cream and with 3 different kind of cheese together. It's very excellent savory taste. Excellent snack. Air fryer tortilla, sweet triangle pocket. Here are the ingredients: whole grain tortilla, cream cheese with strawberry preserve, fresh banana. These are the air fryer 3 pocket. We put banana and sugar powder on top of it. It's crispy. Tortilla is crispy. Great smell. Excellent taste. We have the banana and strawberry inside. It's very good sweet taste. It's an excellent snack. Cracker. This is golden round crackers made by Cuetara. Cuetara is a major food company in Mexico. You can buy this in Latino supermarket. 3 packages in 1 box. Three flavors for the crackers. This is the original flavor. This is the sweet flavor. This is the savory flavor. 3 flavor, that is the cream cheese, strawberry preserve and fresh banana. Savory flavor, there's the cream cheese, sour cream, and fresh cheese. Original flavor. Crispy, and this cracker has the sweet and savory taste together. That's a good cracker. There's sweet flavor. So we have the sweet and savory taste together. It's a good cracker taste. That's great. She smells. Right? That's great taste. Sour cream and all different cheese together. I like this one the best of the three because I like the topping on top of it. The cheese taste is the cracker. Taste these two cookies. These two cookies made by Cuetara. Cuetara is a major cookie company in Mexico. These two, they both are marshmallow biscuit with coconut. The opening, you see, is the different. But this one is a purple. Two in one box. There are 13 cookies in one bag. Pink one. Two in one box. Pink one, there's 19 cookies in one bag. Sandwich style cookies and with marshmallow with coconut in the middle. This is the sandwich style. This purple. And this for the pink one. This is the chocolate cookie. And this is the marshmallow with coconut on top. The cookie is crispy outside. Inside, marshmallow with coconut. It's a soft. Very creamy, very good. It's a good taste, not too sweet. A good taste of chocolate, and with marshmallow and coconut on top of it. It's a soft, and I like this one better compared this to the chocolate cookie. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.